you planning to launch a rental website, either for yourself as the only property owner or as a full platform where multiple owners can list their properties, manage bookings, and communicate with guests, and you want all of this without needing to know any coding or technical setup? With WPRentals, everything is simple. You can run a single owner site or open registration for multiple owners, and the system works smoothly right out of the box. For single owner websites, the admin acts as the sole owner. No separate owner profiles are created in the setup, and you can disable registration for new owners by restricting ownership to specific usernames. This allows you to quickly launch your site using one of the WPRentals 5 professionally designed demo layouts for single owner with single properties or multiple properties fully ready to use right out of the box. For multi-owner websites, new owners can register quickly from the front end using the simple register login model and social login if they wish. Once registered, they get access to an intuitive dashboard designed to keep everything organized and easy to manage. In account summary page, owners can see total properties and published listings. They can also see the upcoming bookings, and they can know which are the most visited and the most booked listings. Owners can manage all their listings and add new properties quickly with the built-in form that admin controls from team option. The all-in-one calendar makes it easy to keep track of bookings across all listings, while the My Bookings page lets them see confirmed and pending reservations at a glance. Owners can also monitor guest feedback in My Reviews page. From here, they can reply to the reviews, which will be published on the property page in the reviews section. The inbox in the owner dashboard is a central hub for all communication. Owners can view messages sent through the contact form, booking requests, and any messages from renters, and reply directly from the dashboard. The system works alongside email notification. Owners receive alerts at the email address set in their profile, and admin can receive duplicate copies of every message for security. Admins also have full access to view and manage all messages from the WordPress admin, ensuring oversight while letting owners handle their communication independently. Finally, the invoices section gives owners a complete view of payments related to their listings. This includes invoices issued to renters for bookings, although payments are received only by the site admin, and if enabled, invoices for membership fees or paid listing submission. This ensures transparency for owners while the admin manages all financial transactions. Owners manage their profile information directly from the dashboard. They can update contact information, write a personal description, upload a profile image, and fill in contact details. SMS verification via Twilio platform is optional but also possible, or the admin can manually review and mark owners as verified based on the private document owners can attach, ensuring that visitors know which listings come from the trusted owners. Whether you run a single owner or multi-owner rental website, WPRentals team makes it easy to manage listings, bookings, owners, and communication professionally. Start building your rental platform today. No coding required with WPRentals.